Hi. Can
Hello,
you hear
teacher.
me?
Yes,
Okay, can you see me?
yes.
Okay. How are you today, Ruby?
I'm happy. And you?
I'm happy too. Why are you happy? Why? What did
I don't
you
know.
do? You just feel happy? Oh, where are you? Oh,
Oh,
who's that?
it's me.
Oh, it's Ruby? Really?
Yeah,
But your face is not like Ruby.
this is my face.
Oh, that is your new face?
Yes.
Okay. So what did you do today, Ruby?
I
What? Please repeat.
play today.
Oh, what did you play?
I play hide and seek
Oh, hide and seek? With whom?
with my friend.
Oh, how many friends you have?
I have 7 friends.
Oh, so where did you play?
I play in a garden.
In the garden. Oh, so you play hide and seek.
Yes,
So, do you enjoy it?
yes,
Okay, very good. So that's why you are happy.
yes.
So, are you tired today? Now?
No.
Oh, okay, very good. So today we are going to study unit section 3 of the book. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, review. Let me share my screen first. Wait for a moment. Okay. Okay, can you see it now? My screen?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Wait for a moment. Okay. So we were going to talk about activities at home in the evening. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go. Can you see the words in the picture in the
Yes.
book? Okay, wait for a moment. I will make it big so you can see it. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. All right. So, what did you do when you go home, Ruby? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So, what do you do when you go home?
I
Oh, do you
goodbye,
watch?
say to goodbye, my friend, and go home.
Okay. You play and go home. That is right?
Yes.
Okay. So, let's start. Okay. Look at the picture. This person is going home. So, what is he doing? Oh, wait for a moment. Oh no. Okay. I think okay. This person, what does he doing?
He's go home.
Yeah, he is going home.
Home.
Okay. How about this one? Oh, wait for a moment. I think I have a technical issue. Okay. So what is this, Ruby? Oh no, the picture is missing. So what? Oh, wait for a moment. What is this, Ruby?
This is door.
All right. Correct. That is a door. So what is the man do?
The man is go home.
Oh, yes. What does he do in the door?
He walked up the steps to my front door.
Okay. All right. Very good. So how about this one?
This one
Yes. What does he do?
going no.
Can you see it?
This
Okay. What does he do? He? What's that?
close the door.
Close or open?
Close.
Oh, close. He is going home. So what does he do to the door?
He closed door.
Close or open?
Close.
Oh, he needs to enter the door.
No, he like this.
He needs to enter in the house. So, oh, wait, what is this? Oh, wait for a moment, Ruby. What is this? Oh, so read this, Ruby. He?
Okay.
Yeah. Open. He opens the.
He opened the door by turning the dog knob.
Okay, very good. So next. Oh, what is this?
Shoes.
Okay,
And took off
shoes.
my shoes.
Okay, very good. He
He took off his shoes.
took off
his shoes.
Okay, very good. So how about you, Ruby? Do you take off your shoes at home?
No,
Why?
because I play more. I go home, I drink water, and I go outside, I play more.
Oh, you play more outside your house?
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay. So next picture. Okay, wait for a moment. Okay. So how about this one? What does he do?
He
He
touched the phone.
he
He checks for messages on the answering machine. The
no, this one.
He took off his clothes.
He take off his
Clothes.
clothes. So, and he,
Teacher.
what's this? Please read.
Teacher.
Yes. Yes, Ruby.
I want to change the
Why?
this. I want to change this.
Why? You don't like it?
Yes, I don't like this.
Why? But this
I
is
want
our material lesson for today. So we need to talk about it. Why? Oh, wait. Why, Ruby? You don't like the book?
books.
Why? Why do you don't like the book?
I want to change this.
This, what this? The book?
No.
No. So what book do you like to talk about?
Talk about eating.
Eating?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I love eating.
Oh, so that is the next page. Preparing dinner.
Making dinner. It's not preparing dinner.
Yes, making dinner. So, who cooked your dinner today at this time, Ruby?
My grandma.
Oh, do you eat your dinner?
She cooks noodles.
Noodles?
Yes. She cooks noodles for me.
Oh, so how is it? It's yummy?
Yes.
Okay, so that is the other activity every evening, okay?
Okay.
Okay, how about this? What did you do? Oh, well, wait for a moment.
I love making spaghetti.
Oh, you love spaghetti?
Yes.
Oh, wait for a moment. Oh, so what? Yes?
I want to.
So what did you do when you get home, Ruby? You eat
Teacher, I want to taking this photo.
Oh, you can.
Then tomorrow I make spaghetti.
Yes, you can take a photo. Do you know how to take a photo?
No.
Oh, so maybe next time you need to.
In Zoom is don't have.
Oh, the Zoom is don't have. Okay. So maybe next time you need to practice how to get a photo in the screen. Oh, what is that?
Okay.
What is that? That is your
Feet.
feet. Oh, but I like your face. Where is your face? Oh, you're so beautiful. How about this, Ruby?
What is this?
Do you know how to clear your table after eating the dinner?
Yes.
Okay. So how about washing dishes after you
Yes.
clear the? Do you know how to wash dishes?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So next, how about this one? Okay. Do you
I don't
read?
like to reading. I don't like reading. I like watching television.
Oh, why? Oh, wait for a moment. Okay, this. Wait for a moment. Okay, Ruby.
Okay.
So, do you read a book every evening?
No,
Why?
because I don't like reading. My favorite hobby is drawing.
What? Please repeat. Your hobby is
My favorite hobby is drawing.
drawing. Oh, you know how to draw. Yes, I see it. I saw it. You're drawing. You are good with it. Okay. How about watching TV? Do
I
you
like
watch
watching TV.
TV
Yes.
every night? Yes. Okay.
Every
Every
Saturday and Sunday.
every Saturday and Sunday. Okay. So wait for a moment. I think the so let's have a activity. Are you ready?
DVD, go to bed.
Go to the bed. So what do you do before bed, Ruby? Oh no. Oh, what is that? You feel sleepy. Okay.
Well, before I'm sleeping, I eat.
You eat.
I eat at 9 p.m.
9 a.m.
9 p.m.
9 p.m. Okay. So please
9
look
p.m. at night.
at night. Okay, very good. So look at the picture.
No, teacher. I eat 12 p.m.
You eat.
I eat spaghetti at 12 p.m. at night.
Okay. 9 p.m. every day.
12 p.m. at night. I eat spaghetti.
Oh, so you love spaghetti.
And tteokbokki. Tteokbokki.
So do you set your alarm first before going to bed?
And I like noodle black.
Noodles?
Noodle black.
Noodles
And
black, color black?
yes.
Oh,
And tteokbokki. Tteokbokki. Tteokbokki.
Oh, you love eating. I think you love eating. So how about changing your clothes before going to bed? Did you do it? No?
No,
Why?
I know why.
Okay, so let's go to our game. Let's stop sharing first. Okay. You
Teacher,
have
what time is this?
it's already 7:56.
Ah,
How about there?
7:56.
Okay, we're the same. Okay, let's have a game. Okay, let me share my screen first. Oh, can you see it now? Not yet?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go. So you need to pick the first activity, okay?
Okay.
You choose from this. Oh, wait. From these choices.
Watch TV.
What?
No.
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 First, you are going to what?
No. First, I going to do homework.
Okay, very good. And next, you are going to, then, you are going
Take off
to,
shoes. Take off
very,
shoes.
very good. So, what's next?
Change clothes.
Okay, very good. Next,
Do homework.
do homework.
No. Eat dinner. Eat dinner.
Yeah, okay. You eat your dinner first before doing your.
Do homework.
Okay, do homework. Very good, Ruby. What's next?
Watch TV.
Watch TV. Very good. So next.
Go to bed.
Very good. Great job, Ruby. So please say it in a sentences. This activity. First, I'm going home. Then,
I'm going home. Then I take off shoes. First, I change clothes. Second, I eat dinner. After that, I do homework. Then I watch TV. Then I go to bed.
okay. So you are going to
Bed.
sleep. Ding, 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 ding. So what time do you sleep, Ruby?
I sleep 9 p.m.
9 p.m. in the evening. Okay. How about waking up in the morning? What time do you wake up in the morning?
6 a.m.
6 a.m.?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Okay, at 6 a.m. Very good.
Morning.
Every morning. So that is your morning routine. And this is your evening routine. Okay. Great job, Ruby. So we are going to, let me stop my screen first. Okay. All right. So we are going to, Okay, have a mini conversation. Okay? Oh, who's this?
This is
Hello.
me.
Oh, this is you?
Yeah.
Okay, you're so beautiful and cute.
I share you 2 picture more. Okay.
What picture? You like sharing your picture. How old are you in the picture?
7.
7? Okay. So, okay. But before you share your picture, we are going to have mini conversation, okay? Oh, who's that?
Wait a minute.
Okay.
It's
Oh,
me.
you're so
I'm
cute.
5 years old. I'm 5 years old.
Oh, you are 5 years old in the picture. So in the picture, you are crying?
No.
Oh, it's just a sticker, a filter. Who put the water in your under your eyes? You did it?
Water?
Yeah, in the picture.
I don't know.
So, Ruby, please listen again. So we are going to have a mini conversation, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so what time do you go home?
I go home at 6 p.m.
Okay, 6 p.m. So what do you, what do you do when you get home?
I ride a bike, go home.
Then
I take off my shoes.
okay, very good.
Yes.
So
I change my clothes.
then,
Second, eat dinner.
okay,
After that, I do homework. Then I watch TV. Finally,
then,
I go to bed.
okay, ready to sleep. Ruby is ready to sleep. Okay, Ruby. So let's have a quick review game. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to say a sentence. You say yes or no, okay?
Okay. 1,
So
2, 3.
1, 2, 3, go. You take off your shoes at home, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. You sleep in the kitchen?
What?
You sleep in the kitchen?
No.
So where did you sleep?
I sleep in my bedroom.
Yes, very good. In the bedroom. So you eat your dinner in the evening?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So you wear your shoes when you sleep?
No.
Why?
It's so hot.
Okay, very good. So you watch TV in the evening?
Yes.
Okay, so do you enjoy our game?
Yes.
Okay. So how about acting again? I will act
Yes.
my some activities, and you need to answer. You need to know what is the activity, okay? You need to say what activities I am going to act, okay?
Okay.
Say after me, your turn, okay? Only 3 activities, okay? Okay.
Eat dinner.
Very good. How about this?
Change clothes.
Okay, very good. How about this one? Oh, you cannot see it? Okay.
Reading.
Reading
Reading.
book. Reading a book.
Reading book.
Okay, very good. So it's
And
your turn, Ruby.
Wait a minute.
Take off your shoes.
Yes.
You are taking off your shoes. Okay, next. So you are sleeping.
Yes.
Next. Oh, you are brushing your teeth and washing your face.
Yes.
Am I correct? Okay, very good. Let's clap ourselves. 1, 2, 3,
4,
5,
5, 6,
7, 8,
9,
9, 10. Very good. Okay. So I am going to give you your homework. Okay?
Okay.
So your homework is you are going to draw again.
Draw
So
again?
are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. So Ruby, you need to draw your evening routine. Okay?
Okay.
So you need to draw 4 activities. Okay?
Okay. 4 activities.
Okay. And then you need to put under each picture a simple sentence. Okay?
8.
What?
8 sentence.
No, under your no, your drawing. Your under your drawing, okay? For example, you draw eating dinner. So under that drawing, you need to put a simple sentence. You need to write. You need to write. Okay?
Okay.
So like what you did before, okay? Okay, so after that, you need to make a short video. Oh, where are you?
I'm here.
Okay, after that, you need to take a video about your homework. Okay? A short video. And tell me about your homework, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good, Ruby. So, great job for today. So, do you enjoy our simple activities?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Ruby. So, Ruby, thank you for coming tonight. Okay.
Thank you, teacher. Thank
So
you,
I
teacher.
am very
Thank you
proud
so
of
much.
you, Ruby. What is that?
Thank you.
What is that?
A heart.
A heart.
Yes.
How about this? What is this?
Heart.
A small heart.
A
How
small
about
heart.
how about this one?
A face heart.
Okay. How about this? Can you
A
see?
biggest heart.
Can you do it?
Yes.
Like this. Oh, you cannot see it? Like that. Okay, a big heart.
Big,
A,
big, big
a
heart.
burger heart. Can you do it? Like this? Okay. Like that. Okay. Thank you, Ruby. You're so jolly. So what you are going to do after our class?
Teacher,
Yes.
where's Mingful?
Oh, I don't know. We don't have a class today.
You have
Okay.
one class with me?
Today, yes. So in another day, I have another class.
Another day you have two class or three class or four class or one class.
Maybe it's one, two, one or two, I think. I will check my schedule first. Okay, how about you? What you are going to do after our class?
I got to play with my cousin.
Oh, be with your cousin. Where is your cousin?
My cousin this is my grandparents' house, and
Oh,
he are going to grandparents' house with me.
so your cousin is with you?
Yes. My
Okay.
cousin is 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. he going to grandparents' house.
Okay. So then you are going to play. How about tomorrow? What is
Yes.
your activity? Activities tomorrow.
My activities.
Oh, you are going to sing a song?
Yes.
Can you sing now?
Happy
Short.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay,
This
very good.
this happy birthday song is in Thailand.
In silent.
Yes.
So you like to sing a silent song?
Yes. Happy birthday to you.
Can you speak silent language? Do you know how to
No.
speak silent language? Oh, but you know how to sing. How about Vietnam version?
It's like happy birthday.
So what it is?
Mừng ngày sinh nhật của tôi.
What?
Ngày sinh-
Can you
It's like
sing?
happy birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Okay.
birthday to you.
Oh, that is an English song.
Dog,
Why?
where is your dog?
Oh, my dog. My dog is sleeping. He is sleeping now
Is she
because he
sleeping?
feels sleepy.
He's sleeping.
What?
He wake up. What is he sleeping so early?
Because he is playing while ago. So maybe he is tired. So now he is sleeping.
When do you visit to Vietnam?
Oh no, I don't know. How about you? When you are going to visit
Teacher,
Philippines? Yes.
in Ted, you visit to Vietnam first. Then I visit to Philippines.
Okay. But I don't know when we are going to visit Vietnam.
10.
10 days? After 10 days?
Vietnam.
So Ruby, we need to end our class today. Okay, thank you for coming.
Thank you, Teacher Shu.
Thank you so much, Rudy. I love you, Rudy. Goodbye, Rudy. See you in our next class.
Tomorrow. See you next week.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you on
You end
Tuesday.
first.
Okay, I will end it first. Okay, wait for a moment.